Rise from your grave.
So I'm here to tell you that the God+Mod works. To all the naysayers, people can say it's placebo, whatever you want to call it. I have it on my RS19 high speed, and the God+Mod works. It works. Again, you can believe me if you want to. You don't have to. But I'm telling you, this is not a paid video. I'm not getting any kickbacks or anything from this. The God+Mod works. You're hearing this straight from Sensei Vegan. Now, I am not a serious high-speed rider, but I tell you, I can feel the difference with the God+Mod. Period, point blank, it always feels like your wheel is in the power band. Like when you want to go, the wheel is ready to get up and go. All right? Plain and simple, it works. The God+Mod gets a 10 out of 10 on my scale. Golly, man. Yo. Okay, I don't know if the audio is going to come in clear, but that is proof right there that the God+Mod works. If you remember my last video I posted, I was only able to hit about 34 miles an hour down that straightaway, okay? I hit 34 miles an hour without even trying, and that was like halfway down the straightaway. I didn't want to go any faster because there were some people on it, so I slowed down even way before I slowed down last time. Now, again, people are going to say what they want to say, but the God+Mod works. It works. It always feels like your wheel is in the power band. It is insane, but it works, and I am no speed demon. The God+Mod works.
So after a few more rips down that straightaway, I hit 38 miles an hour, and then my top speed of the day was 40.8 miles an hour, and that's the fastest that I've ever been on my RS. Because I've always said, as long as my wheel can do 35 miles an hour safely, I'm good to go. That's just how I ride. But what I loved about the God+Mod is that the wheel felt less dippy. It always felt like you had power under your feet. And the wheel is just, and I keep saying this, it's like it's in its power band all the time. It's like a supercharger versus a turbo. There's no turbo lag. It's like you're supercharged, and as soon as you lean forward, bang, you're ready to go. And you can see right here, my pedals will dip a little bit, but once you get past that little bit of dip, it's a smooth little dip, you can just accelerate straight through that. It feels really responsive, and I'm happy with the purchase. Now I'm going to do some more testing, but overall, the God+Mod works. And you hear me say this again, it does what it's supposed to do, and it works exactly how Declan said it would on Black Cobra's live stream. Now I have to speak this very clearly. Now I'm not saying that the God+Mod has increased the top end speed of my wheel. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is it has given my wheel the ability, and given me the ability, to push my wheel harder within the speed margins of my wheel. Like, I'm not worried about hitting a bump and the wheel cutting out, or dropping off a curb and the wheel cutting out, or if I'm pushing my wheel in a cold and I get that battery sag, that my wheel is going to cut out. The RS feels like I have abundant power beneath my feet, ready just to push the wheel forward. It feels almost like I'm riding in a sport mode on my RS now.